It's the cold season, which means it's officially flu season. And these are some of the pantry items that you should definitely have to help keep your respiratory system healthy during this period. First off, ginger. It is anti-inflammatory and it can help you reduce throat irritation, and also if you have a cough. It also helps to reduce congestion, and it is also antimicrobial. So here I have fresh ginger, powdered ginger, and dried ginger. Like, next up we have lemon, very rich in vitamin C, which helps to promote your immunity. They can help you to thin your mucus, and they also promote salivary production. So if you have a dry cough or a dry throat, you should definitely take lemon. Next up is garlic, which is antimicrobial. It also helps to fight both bacterial and viral infections. So if you have a flu or if you have a cold, it can help you with that. It also helps to improve your immunity, and it can reduce inflammation. So if you have chest problems, you should definitely take garlic. And they have two types of garlic here. This is, I guess, grade or GMO, if you can call it that. And this is the kienyeji, and you can see the difference between these two. The kienyeji garlic is much smaller, and then the bulbs are usually purple in color compared to the white bulbs of the grade garlic. And this kienyeji garlic is way more pungent, but it's much harder to remove. Next up is turmeric, whose active compound is called curcumin, or is it curcumin? I don't know. I don't know the pronunciation. Anyway, it helps you to open up your airways if you have inflammation. If you have asthma, you should definitely be eating more turmeric. It is also an antioxidant for the lungs. Next, we have one of my most favorite ingredients, which is radishes. If you're someone that suffers from sinuses issues, if you have that thick mucus that tends to get stuck in the middle of your nose, you need to eat radishes, a lot of radishes. That's because radishes are going to help you break down that thick mucus. They're going to thin it out. It's also a decongestant, and it has vitamin C, just like the lemons. Next, we have cayenne pepper, which contains capsaicin. It can help you open up your sinuses, drain your nasal passage. It helps you to improve circulation, and it actually helps you to keep warm, because you know the way you feel when you eat capsaicin. Capsaicin is basically pili-pili. That's just the scientific term for the active compound in pili-pili. And finally, we have honey. Now, honey is going to coat your throat. It's going to soothe any irritation on your throat. So if you have a dry throat or a dry cough, then you should definitely take some honey. And it's also good for your kids. So if you have children above like 1 year old, just give them 1 teaspoon of honey in the morning. If anyone watching this has a good plug for honey, please hook me up. I really need a honey supplier. So these are some of the immune booster combinations that you can make. If you have a dry throat, use honey, lemon, and ginger. If you have thick mucus, cayenne, radish, ginger, and honey. If you have sinuses, cayenne, garlic, ginger, lemon. If you have a wet cough is a cough that is accompanied with mucus, use honey.